Slide number 6 shows the detail of two-wire loop-powered configuration. We can see in this diagram, on the left-hand side is the two-wire loop-powered transmitter, and on the right-hand side we have the receiving equipment. Remember that this two-wire loop-powered is 4 to 20 milliamp transmitter. The power supply drive from this receiving equipment is 24 voltage direct current. So the power supply from this receiving equipment will be sent to the transmitter through a twisted pair cable. After this transmitter receives the power from this receiving equipment, the current will return to the receiving equipment, and the current will go through 250 ohm resistance so that the receiving equipment can read the signal in voltage form. Here is some calculation. So let's say VR is the voltage across 250 ohm, I is the current, and R is 250. So if the transmitter output is minimum, which means 0% or 4 milliamp, the calculated output voltage will be 1 volt. However, if the output of the transmitter is increased to 50% or 12 milliamp, the calculated output voltage will be 3 volt. Same goes to output of 100% or 20 milliamp, the output voltage will be 5 volt.